Welcome back to Jamie's Garage. Today, I'm going to walk you through reviving one of these greenworks batteries that are notorious for going belly up on you. If you have one that won't even turn on at all, more than likely it has a dead cell or two in it, and you're kind of done there. But if you have one like I had here, that when you tested the charge, it blinked at you, what you can do is you can take it apart, and you can see if some of the cells have just gone a little bit too low. Lithium-ion cells can regularly go to 3.0 volts, and this charger calls them dead around 3.5 or 4 or 3. We're going to find which of the cells are too low, causing the battery to go below its voltage that the charger will work with. And we're going to jump start them with a bench power supply that has constant voltage and constant current modes, also known as battery charger mode. So don't do this, but we're just going to solder onto this battery pack like, Yeah, that's kind of sketchy. So it turns out there's actually two different cells that are at 3 volts instead of 3.58. So I'm going to get this one up to 3.58. I'll move these soldered wires up to the next one, get that to 3.58, and then the BMS should accept that the cells are within chargeable range. This one is coming off. This was the original negative. This will become the negative, and this will be the new positive. Now we're the next one up. This is our negative, and this is our positive because this is the second series battery. So, first thing we're going to do is turn on our power supply. So we are monitoring the output. Right now the output is 0. We're going to go into battery mode. We're going up to 3.58 at 1 amp, negative terminal. Now remember, this is the positive of the first battery, but it's actually the negative of the second one in series. So these are going to look backwards. We'll connect our positive. This looks backwards, but it's not. You see that quit blinking? We're at 2.96 volts. Let the charging begin. Okay. We're back up to 35.8 volts, and assemble it back together and see if the BMS will restart. Just slides in like that. All this is a Torx bit with a security hole inside of it. That's it. 4 screws holding it together. And moment of truth. Success! Solid light means charging. So we successfully brought 2 of the 10 cells, they're 2S. So really 4 cells up from 3 volts to 3.58 volts to match the rest of the pack. It's a 10S2P pack, measured the voltage at 35.8 volts, so 10 times 3.58. So now it's charging. That's how you revive a pack that hasn't lost cells. If any of them are down to 0, it's dead. See you later. That's good news.